Hey guys, what's up? It's me, Ida. Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to try a new hairstyle. It's going to be a flexi rod on kind of stretched hair. I did put my hair in about 6 braids last night with a little bit of leave-in conditioner. So yeah, so this is what I'm working here with, and I'm going to start on one side. Okay, so this is gonna be my first piece. So I guess I'll take like about medium sections here. And I have some warm water in a spray bottle. I'm just gonna kind of add in some moisture here. So I'm gonna try this new butter, Camille Rose, but it's the aloe whipped butter gel. And so I like the consistency already. It's really thin. Well, it's not too thick so that I feel like my hair will not get product buildup. And then I do like the smell. It's very different. I don't honestly know what this is, but I like it. And then I'm gonna use a foaming mousse by Lotta Body. So I have tried this before, and I told you guys in my last perm rod video that I don't like to use foams too much because it makes my hair feel dry. But then I thought about it, I've never really used it over top of a butter. So I'm gonna go ahead, take the perm rod, secure it against the root of my head, and then just kind of pull my hair tight and just kind of leave a little bit of space, and then twist it the ends because you want the ends to lay flat. So if you have enough foaming mousse on the bottom, you should be able to keep the ends flat, and then just tuck in the flexi rod. Either way, it honestly doesn't matter. I'm kind of just taking like any pieces, to be honest. I'm usually more picky and section it, but I feel like it always ends up being the same anyways, so I just try to take pieces that are the same like width so that you kind of get like more uniform curls. All right, 2 down. I cannot believe it just happened. Oh my god. Okay, so this is what my hair looks like. I am totally finished, and I'm never sleeping with these in my hair ever again. That's all I have to say. It's not worth it, and I think that next time I'm going to actually sit underneath the hooded dryer for at least like an hour or so. I know that I never usually do, but I can't. The worst sleep ever. This coffee is saving my life. Okay, I see you there. You do need some sort of like foaming mousse or gel or something to kind of keep the ends from peeling off of these foam rods. All right, they're all out. Okay, let me quickly count these. 1. Okay, so I've used 27 altogether. Wow, I didn't even feel like I had that much in. So I'm gonna use a little bit of oil, put it on my hands so that I can separate these and minimize any frizz and just add a little bit of shine back into the hair. All right, I'm just gonna clip some of these out of the way so that it's easier for me to untwist. So yeah, these are separating very easily on its own, which is amazing. I love that. I love when I don't have to kind of force it, because then you get to keep your curl pattern intact without causing too much frizz. This is what the curls are looking like so far. So just pull down and you see how like it just starts to separate on its own, really. And then twirling it definitely helps too. Like sometimes I don't twirl it, but I do notice a difference when I do. So yeah, the curls look really cute. You can tell the ends could be definitely more sleek, I guess. But honestly, I really didn't care because I'm gonna go ahead and take a pic, and usually I wait till the end, but I just feel like sometimes it's easier to just do it as you're going through, because it's kind of hard to get every section when everything is out. I'm still gonna go maybe back and do a little bit, but it's just easier to just do it while you're doing it. And I'm not even gonna do it that much, just a little bit, because I don't want to ruin the curl pattern. Okay, so this is all taken out and I'm gonna kind of pick a little bit more just to kind of get rid of like the middle line here. You don't want to pick too much to ruin the curls, but I just focus more on the roots. So the shrinkage is definitely real, but the curls are nice. So I really like the way it looks. It's like a really nice, cute little fro. And as like the day goes by, it's gonna get bigger and it's gonna all settle in. And I usually don't like the way my hair looks as soon as I take it out. It just, for my hair, it just takes some time to kind of like form itself. And so I will add in some pictures to show you guys like what my hair ends up looking like in a few hours. But so far I really like it. And I'll show you guys what the back looks like as well. So not too bad. Like the back is going to fill out throughout the rest of the day, and especially like the next day and all that kind of stuff. So I don't want to pick it out too much. So yeah, I love it. What do you guys think? Honest opinion, don't lie to me. Let me know what hairstyles you guys want me to try out next, because I'm just in the mood to just try out all these different protective styles during this winter and kind of take a break on a little bit of wash and goes maybe, you know, until it gets nicer outside. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you guys for all the support, all the love. Leave me in the comments below if you guys like this hairstyle or not, honest opinion. And if you guys like this video, go ahead and subscribe, like, and share, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.